Hello guys, welcome back to App Mentor. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to craft that plasma rounds in Once Human, a powerful ammo type that can help you dominate in battles, especially against the bosses. So before we begin, it's important to know that crafting red plasma rounds requires a specific pneumatic specialization, and not everyone has access to this, as specialization in Once Human are completely RNG based. So to check if you have the one, click O on your keyboard. Go to the pneumatics menu right here by clicking on pneumatics, and then go to specialization nodes. If you are lucky, you'll find red plasma rounds on one of these. So basically, as you can see, I have 4. I can only select one, and I don't have actually red plasma rounds. But if you are lucky, you'll find one available for you. But don't worry, if you don't have this specialization, you can reset your specialization up to 5 times per season using a specialization cleaner. So basically, if I go here, and you will see a reset button. So if I click here, this will say reset pneumatic specialization, and it will cost you this thing, this specialization cleaner, I think it's called that, and you can obtain this through season goals. So I believe you can only get these 5 per season. So 5 resets per season. Once you have the red plasma round specialization unlocked, you will need an advanced synthesis bench to start crafting. So first you have to unlock the advanced synthesis bench by going to pneumatics, and under crafting you will see at the 5 alignment you will see advanced synthesis bench. You will first have to unlock this, and then you can press B, right click, and then go to facilities, and you will find it advanced synthesis bench here. You can place it anywhere on your beautiful home. I don't have a beautiful one, it's an ugly one to be honest. So once you place it, make sure it is connected to a generator. Now let's talk about the materials you will need. So you will need stardust source, barreled premium fuel, and tungsten ingots. Make sure you have enough of these materials before starting the crafting process. Once you have all the materials, you can head to the advanced synthesis bench, select red plasma round, and start crafting the process. It takes about 1 minute to produce a single round, so you will need to be patient. Remember, these rounds are only usable with the Gatling cannon, and they deliver extremely high blast damage, perfect for taking tough enemies. However, they only last 24 hours, so use them wisely. So that's it on how to craft the red plasma rounds in Once Human. If this video helped you in any way, please hit that like button, subscribe to App Mentor, and ring the bell icon for more gaming tips. Thanks for watching, and good luck in your prime war.